Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show or hide diffs on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page and tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on View Profile. Then go back to this button and tap on My Preferences. After that, click on Appearance, which is the third category. Scroll down until you find the diffs section, and here you can either show them or hide them by tapping on the relevant boxes. And then scroll down after selecting and tap on the Save button to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.